The evidence supports mind-body exercises. Now, what does that mean? Well, I want you to create the environment so your brain, your nervous system, and your body can support this tinnitus treatment, can support the reduction of the sound. Because there is no surgery or medication that's going to cure your tinnitus. How we're going to do it is to promote this natural brain process called habituation. But it often doesn't just happen on its own. It needs to be induced through a treatment plan. What we need to do is we need to pair tinnitus treatment with other more holistic approaches as well to create this comprehensive approach. The evidence is supporting stress management and focusing on sleep as an important piece of this. The first thing I want to address in this key point, number 2, is mindfulness-based stress reduction. In 2015, through the Journal of Otology Head and Neck Surgery, they found that a mindfulness program led to decreased severity in tinnitus symptoms.